I'm Bea.
I'm Micah.
And we're back for another vlog. So guys, we've been gone for 4 months. It's been a long time and a lot has happened since then. And 4 months, guys. Tignan yung nails niya. Bagay pang So today we'll be reviewing the
Peripera
makeup fridge. Yeah, mini fridge.
So cute niya, guys.
So here, guys, just a closer
I'm
look.
so excited.
So actually this is from Korea. My mom got it like a while back. Pero I just wanted to do a review, so ngayon ko pa lang siya unbox. So let's go! So this is what's inside. There. So ayun guys, meron siyang fridge. The fridge look.
Yeah. Di siya super taba. Small lang.
Yeah, like, yeah, ganyan lang siya. This is what's inside.
Di yung katulad sa box.
And then, Mika, you wanna show this?
Sa sticker, ang cute niya, guys. Super mahilig kami sa sticker, lalo na sa mga planner.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, na-excite ako kasi sa Starbucks may bago na naman silang planner. But we don't know how to collect kasi we're just at home. And kapag nagpa-grab, I don't think may stickers. Share ko lang. Anyway, and then this. Meron siyang mga miniature. So, let's go to the real deal.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Look at this. It's time for yung unboxing.
3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Pretty.
So, Mika, you wanna show them?
Okay, this one is lip tint.
Wow, ganda ng nails. Nag-prepare kayo ata.
Ikaw kaya?
Okay.
Lip tint, then ito yung mga
Concealer. Wait, it
Tapos
says here, ano siya, multi. So, I'm guessing, ano siya, borrow ng fingers mo. So, kasi compare nyo naman nails namin. Grabe, guys. Nagdadalaga na siya. So, gamitin natin ang nails ni Mika. So, ito, multi nakalagay. So, I'm guessing, pwede siyang concealer, foundation, and contour. Okay. Tapos, cheek. Cheek. And then, grabe, parang pang matunda na kamay mo. And then, merong, ano to? Velvet. It says here velvet. Tapos the other two, ano lang sila, tint. Yeah. So, since may ganito siya, I think ilalagay yata siya sa loob.
yes, kasi meron siyang ano.
Yeah, it's removable.
So, paano paglalagay? Tapos nahulog siya, no?
Yeah.
Magnet siya?
Yeah, magnetic. Siyempre, we're gonna review this.
Yeah, swatch.
Swatch namin. So, as you can see, guys, we didn't put anything. Like, ano lang. Lip balm lang. So, right now, which one do you want to try first, Mika?
This one, pink. I want that pink.
Tint?
Yeah.
Okay,
Tint.
let's try the pink tint. This is, ano, guys, here, it's this one. Paggamit mo ng fingers mo. Yan. Ikaw na mag-feature. Ganyan. Ganyan.
Yeah, perfect. Super liit.
Ganda
lang
ng nails niya, no, guys. Okay. So, ano siya? Water tint. As you can see here.
Pwede din siya inumin, guys.
Peripera.
Don't worry. So, maliit lang talaga siya, guys.
Okay. Paano to open, guys?
Oh!
There.
Oh my God!
There.
I'm super excited.
So, as you guys know, once you open makeup, you have to, like, use it within the year or kung kailan siya mag-expire.
Try it.
It's dripping.
Try it. Dripping.
Okay.
Sorry for your
Dito, i-swatch mo natin dito. It's there, guys. It's really bright. Ikaw, you wanna try it sa lips mo?
Yes.
Okay, go. Show them.
God.
I'm gonna try the orange one. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this, guys. Focus, please. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna swatch it for you also. And then Mika's gonna try yung pink one. Okay.
Try this one.
Oh, wait. I'm not gonna try it na lang. I'm gonna do the velvet tint and then I'm just gonna swatch this para makita nyo. Go, Mika. Para makita natin yung difference. Kasi si Mika may siya
Oh my God! Ang kapal niya.
I-smudge mo!
Naman tayo sa lip tint!
Makeup fail! Tingin!
Kaya naman tayo sa lip tint
Oh,
yung ano
no.
natin.
Ako
Pero
na,
okay lang ito, guys.
Then, so, kasi guys, kami, dry lips kami. So, ang thing kapag ka dry lips, usually, you have to wear lip balm. And then, ayun, hindi recommendable talaga mag-lip tint. Kasi, mabilis siyang magpa-chop ng
Kung
lips.
gusto niya guys, pag lip tint, pag dry lips niya, lagyan na lang siya ng lip balm. Pag lip tint, then lip balm.
Kami, we usually use yung, ako EOS, si Mika, papaw. Okay, next, the other side. At mag-blend. Wala, guys!
Pero pretty talaga siya.
Gamit ka ng lip balm, bilis. So, we're gonna try naman the orange one while Mika tries to fix yung, niya, the fail. So, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It's really pigmented, as you can see. It's really pigmented when you use it. So, if I were you, as in, like, dab lang talaga. And then, before it dries out, as in, try rubbing it agad. Ayan.
So, ito yung lips ko, guys. Diba, parang glossy na siya. What's that? Mami, pag... Ano yan?
Feature mo na? That's the velvet,
ayan.
the velvet skin.
There.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna use for mine naman. This is 2.7 grams. Okay. Let's try it.
Okay, I want that. I like it. Pero guys, sino mo yung sa hands niya?
No, kasi sa'yo yan eh,
Ay,
na-stain.
sa akin pala yan.
Another one, this is the cheek tint.
Oh.
Okay, show it, Mika.
Cheek tint time. There.
There. I think this is also 2.7 grams.
Can I try my
So
cheeks?
let's try it. Try putting it. Oh, guys, may glitter siya.
Oh my God!
Look.
Basta may glitter siya, guys.
Oh, guys, and it's very pigmented. Feel ko it will complement any skin tone.
Oh my God, ang glossy niya.
Can you see it? Or darken ko pa?
Okay na yan. Baka mag-dark siya.
Mine din. I look like I'm trying it. I wasn't able to swatch it for you guys. Pero wait lang, ha?
Oh my God, guys!
It's very
nakikita
pigmented.
niyo talaga siya. Super talaga siya.
Very pigmented, guys. There. Parang natural lang.
Kaya natural
I
lang
like
siya.
it.
I like it too.
Sorry, I'm not good at swatching. Pero ayun, guys. And then, for the last one,
The
concealer. I don't know, kasi
contour.
multi eh.
Yeah.
So, pwede naman siya for any. This is
Uy, matatawa.
2.7 grams.
Okay, I will wait. I will show him.
Okay.
Let's see. There. So, super cute talaga siya, guys.
Yeah.
I like her.
And ano siya, I think it's handy kasi you can use it anytime and bring it anywhere.
Anytime,
Concealer
anywhere.
I have here.
Oh, girl.
I don't know, guys, kasi when you're at home, I don't know, somehow parang I've been getting bubuyat, dark circles.
It's super cute. Oh! What's happening?
I think this is darker than my skin tone, guys.
Parang binagbag siya, guys.
It's like putting on mud.
Pero, pag kaya sa skin tone, guys, parang
Wag
maganda
na sa'yo, Mika. Feel ko, kapag hindi mo siya shade, it depends kung saan mo siya gagamitin.
True, guys, true. Pag may Halloween party na lang kayo, gamitin yan, guys.
I hope you like our review on this.
Yeah, so pretty.
So pretty, guys. And
Mas
then,
pretty ako. Joke.
and then we're gonna unbox this. Try
This is my
opening.
favorite part.
Oh wait,
Oh,
naka-tape pa siya.
Okay. Okay.
Open
Oh
it.
my God! I like it.
There's a lot
ito yung mga
in
gusto ko,
there.
guys. Salad ng mga mini brands.
Miniatures. Yes. So, first of all, we have this. I don't know what this is for.
Oh, ano
And then this one is yung sa bottom nung bottom ng ref
Ano how?
where you put
Where
your
did you put it? Ice.
where you put your fresh goods. Okay.
Oh,
So
sorry.
first of all, show them.
Joke.
You're gonna put this, I don't know, here.
Ito. Oh, okay. Kala ko guys sa
Bottom.
taas siya.
And then
This one
I
is
don't know.
here.
here? No. Here yata eh.
Oh!
Here you guys. There, ayan. You're supposed to put it there. Kasi siya yung shelves.
Ito this
And
one.
This one is right, it goes right here. This is fun, guys, kasi besides the makeup, you get to play. There, yun na
Para hindi ka
shelves so
ma-bored.
far.
That
Yes.
one.
So there, ayun na, guys. We have 3 shelves. 1, 2,
Wait!
3. And then this one, you can pull it like that.
Wait, there's more. Tada! I have the 2 milks.
So guys, ito yung egg. Ay, sa egg. Ay, sa milk. Sa milk. Tapos you have to put it here.
Yeah.
So, lalagay ko na
super
siya.
laki siya. Too big. Oh my God, ang cute niya. Oh my God. Nakikita ko na siya. So, the egg.
Show them what it looks like, guys.
Tada. So, boy. Joke. Lalagay ko na
So,
siya
next,
sa
guys,
freezer.
this one, the pink. The
Yeah.
pink milk.
The strawberry one.
Sa blueberry.
Oh.
So, guys, kasi si Mika, if alam nyo lang, magaling din siya kumanta.
Oh my God.
So, gagawa daw kami ng cover ng songs. Soon!
So, gisip pa yung mga
So, tumawa siya, di ba, guys? So, meaning totoo yun.
So, ayan. Focus. Basta milk siya, guys, na pink naman. Imagine
Okay,
it.
guys, next one. The Coke.
Meron siyang 2 milk.
Halfway there.
That's one. So, isip ko siya nalagay. Ano siya sa mga mini fridge.
It's like this. But then, you can open it. Tada!
May lip gloss?
Wala. You can just open it. Wala lang. Share ko lang.
Parang kulang
Yes.
sa taas.
No, ganyan siya.
So, yan guys. Saan ko naman ito lalagay? Saan yun guys? Ito diba? Mini fridge. Pink.
Last one, guys. The soup.
Soup?
Yes.
Soup pala yun?
Canned chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
Saan yung ice cream? Hindi ako makapag-intay.
Ewan ko yung
Ba't
ice
kulang
cream.
to ito? Parang... As in tayo, guys?
So, best pala ako nakakalabas ng bahay, guys. To go to the dentist.
Tree!
Ay, yeah. Basta to go to the dentist lang. And then, saan tong ice cream? So, ito na yung soup, guys. Show them.
Paano mo nalaman na soup to?
So,
Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Guys.
May mystery item tayo.
Totoo?
May mystery item. May nawawalang
Finding it.
ice cream. I don't know if sobra lang ba talaga to or kulang yung
Dapat
sa
hindi siya
amin.
sobra, diba?
Ano?
Ayan lang siya,
This
guys.
is it! This
So
is it,
cute!
guys.
Oh my God,
The complete fridge. Tara, Peripera. Wait, nakaslito siya.
You're
So, ayun guys. So, there's nothing in here. I don't know para
Just
saan.
comment down below mo.
Yeah, kung may kulang ba or what. This is the entire thing na
Ito
nasa
yung
box.
mga tins.
I think you get what you paid for and
Yeah.
may extra pa. So, ayun. Looks cute, guys.
So,
Slim lang siya.
Yun.
There. There. And you can't touch this. Hindi
Why?
siya namumove. It's as is lang.
This one?
Yeah.
This one will move.
So, ayun guys. I hope you enjoyed our review. And we're gonna try posting more often now. That's it.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Please like, share, and subscribe.